Bonjour Morgan, bonjour Rhys et bonjour Piper. Le mardi 28 juillet. So I specify that it's lesson 8 for Morgan and Rhys and Piper. Okay, so we start with Morgan, and this is a small text concerning the fire and the salt, le feu et le sel. Au camping, Théo prépare le dîner avec ses amis. Il y a un petit feu. Vous savez, dit Théo, je connais un mot magique. Si je dis le mot, le feu grandit. Impossible, dit Noah. Regardez, dit Théo. Théo raconte une histoire, il dit le mot terrible et le feu grandit. Incroyable, dit Lou. Théo continue son histoire, il dit encore le mot terrible et le feu grandit et grandit. Amina, c'est elle, observe Théo et elle dit « Théo, ce n'est pas vrai, ce n'est pas le mot terrible, non, non, c'est le sel. Tu mets du sel sur le feu et voilà ton secret. » Ah, c'est ça, dit Lou. Bravo, Amina, dit Théo, tu es très forte. Bon, dit Noah, super ton histoire, mais maintenant à table. Okay, so the fire and the salt. Au camping, it's a location and it's masculine here. We're gonna say at the, how do you call even this stuff? It's like camping, the camp, at the camp. Theo prepares a dinner with his friends. There is a small fire. There is, il y a. You know, so you're gonna see that to know can be two options, savoir or connaître. So, you know, says Theo, I know a magic word. If I say the word, the fire grows. Impossible, says Noah. Look, says Theo. Theo tells a story and he says a word, terrible, and the fire grows. Incredible, says Lou. Theo continues his story. He says again the word terrible, and the fire grows and grows. Amina observes Theo and she says, Theo, it's not true. It is not the word terrible. No, no, it's the salt. You put salt on the fire and here your secret. Ah, that's it, says Lou, sorry. Well done, bravo, Amina, says Theo. You are very smart. Fort means to be strong, but in this context, we're going to say smart. Well, says Theo, there's no, I'm very into Theo, I don't know why. Well, says Noah, super your story, but now let's eat. So, the sun is le soleil. So again, every time you have a location, we're going to deal with this kind of prepositions. It's like au, à l'apostrophe, à la, etc. Don't forget the th in French is a t sound. Vous savez, you know. I know a magic word. Je sais un mot magique. So to know can be two options. So either I say je connais, for instance, I can say je connais le restaurant. I know the restaurant. Je connais Marie. I know Mary. So those sont nouns. Je sais plus a verb. It's like you know how to do something. Encore, again. Ce n'est pas vrai. It's not true. À table. Let's eat. Lunch is ready. So, the salt is le sel. Je connais un mot magique. I know a magic word. Je raconte une histoire. I tell a story. Okay. So, ce n'est pas. Remember this. Ce n'est pas. It's not. Let's just underline that. So, où with an accent is where. Qui, who. Du sucre, de l'eau, du sel. So, où sont les personnages? That means where are the characters? Au camping. Qui découvre le secret de Théo? Who discovers the secret of Theo, or Theo's secret? Amina. Le feu grandit. The fire grows with du sucre, sugar, de l'eau, du sucre, sugar, de l'eau, water, du sel, salt. Let's write that. Sugar, water, salt. So the last time we talked about the adjectives. So we have a lot of adjectives here. Bleu, vert, marron, gris, no S, even though we have a plural form here. So, des yeux bleus, blue eyes. Des yeux verts, green eyes. Des yeux marrons, brown eyes. Des yeux gris, gray eyes. Des cheveux longs, long hair. Des cheveux courts, short hair. Des cheveux frisés, curly hair. So, every time we deal with an adjective, short, tall, large, etc., we're going to have a feminine, a masculine or a feminine version, and also a plural version. Okay? Il est brun, elle est brune. Il est roux, elle est rousse, red hair. Il est grand, elle est grande. So let's get familiar with these adjectives. Beau, belle. Beau, belle means pretty. So, beau is masculine, belle is feminine. Nouveau, nouvelle. New. Masculine, féminine. Vieux, vieille, old. Masculine, féminine. Long, longue. Masculine, féminine, longue. Okay, Reese. Okay, Piper. Here this is your turn, and let's just go through the vocabulary. Un livre orange. It's an orange book. Okay. Une trousse violette. This guy. A purple pencil case. Des ciseaux verts. Green scissors. Okay. Green. Good as voilà. Green scissors. Un crayon orange ou jaune. I cannot really tell if it's yellow. Let's say yellow. So yellow pencil. Une colle rouge et blanche. It's like a red and white glue stick. So actually in French we're going to say un bâton de colle, but let's keep it simple. Une colle. Une gomme rose et bleu. So it's a pink and blue eraser. Okay. Une règle verte. This guy. A green ruler. Un stylo rouge, let's say red. Hein? A red pen. Okay, so this is important here because normally we have violet or violette. Well, violet is purple, violet is purple as well. So what's the difference? Well, this one is masculine, this one is feminine. We'll see that. Okay, so I'm just giving you this example. We'll have more examples in the future. So, des marqueurs, markers, un cartable, a school bag, blanc et bleu, un livre, une trousse. So every time I use un, it's a masculine form. Une, it's a feminine form. So un livre, a book, une trousse, a pencil case. Okay? So if I say un crayon, it's masculine. Une gomme, féminine. Un stylo, masculine. Un cartable, masculine. une fille féminine, un marqueur masculin. Okay, so we talked about a chair, une chaise, it's feminine, a lamp, une lampe féminine, a desk, un bureau masculine, and animals can be both, huh? So except the flies, which is an insect, we don't have, I mean, we can have the masculine, feminine, but we don't really care too much about that. So in French, it's like if I want to talk about a cat, I'm gonna say un chat, the male, une chatte, female. So the numbers 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So this is the video about the numbers, but let's not do that separately. We're gonna have to do that together, okay? Because these guys are big numbers. And here, it's all about recognizing the objects, une trousse, des ciseaux, un stylo, une gomme, une règle, une colle, un livre, un cartable. And this is my homework. Rose, orange, marron, blanc, rouge, vert, jaune, bleu, noir. Okay, guys, you have an excellent week and I'll talk to you soon. So, Morgan, what I want you to do is to, you know, I'll give you a separate homework actually. Not here, but I'll attach it to the email for you to practice the adjectives. You all have a nice week and I'll talk to you next Tuesday. Now we're gonna see each other at 10 a.m. Okay? Au revoir, à bientôt.